today. I'm meeting Claude and Liz again today because we're gonna eat out and take Photobooth pictures. Here's my fit. Elevator's here.
Oh, we need to pay first.
Wait, do you want to take our ski shoes out?
Oh yeah. I lost
Wait,
the
did I
goggles
already?
yesterday.
No!
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you doing
Yeah,
it.
I came back. I was like, wait, something's missing. It's okay. Oh shit! What? Wait.
Huh? Wait.
Take a normal.
It's their time. Oh, this is so crazy. That was so clutch. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Maybe we should put your face. It's okay. Fine. It's fine. It's fine.
This one for
fine.
sure. Yeah, this one for sure. Yeah. Oh, I'm not taking this on. I need to take a picture of it. This one's okay. Yeah, this one's okay. But this, like, it fits us more. Oh, it's here. It's here. You might want to say hi.
Hi. Just make sure before I post it. I just take a video of me. Quincy wasn't in trans room, right?
For real? How was it? Wait, what did you try?
I ate seaside water.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh wait, they got the nylon one.
I think it's also.
Yet you're still eating, and yet you're still eating ice cream. Were you guys like screaming like crazy?
I'm kind of a person who just like gets shocked and
Yeah, me
I was
too.
thinking those not to cover me.
I mean, they are like the only members that do that. Like, this is a nice lunch.
And you know how it went.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're going back to the yeah. Someone would always like think of only, you know, like the water.
In the water, right?
Yay, we got one.
Oh my god, this picture.
Oh my gosh.
The grass is so funny.
Get it together. The grass though.
Actual grass.
Yeah. I mean, we're leaving soon as well though.
I have to.
Bye. Take care. Take care, Thank you. On the way to the plaza right now to buy some food pasalubong.
Record ka na? Wait.
Nakabahan ako, babe.
What do you wanna get? Right or left?
Sige, right na lang. Ayun muna.
Pink grape, please. Mahirap siya.
Teka lang, iinom muna ako.
Wow! Hindi ko mabuksan. Okay na.
Sabay tayo, pipikit din ako, tapos bumilang kapag didilat na.
Okay. Hindi ko alam kung saan nakaharap ka. 1, 2, 3, go.
Joke lang.
Bright.
Pink, ano yan?
Sino to? Bright orange. Like, at least hindi siya yung
okay,
ano,
pwede.
yung isa.
Pwede. Ayoko na kumain, busog na ako.
Please!
Kinakabahan ako.
Ito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, we got it.
Huwag mo munang buksan.
Yan, hindi ko na bubuksan.
Yung ano mo, Philippine Sea.
Yung alin pa? Ay, tita na, lagay ko na pala yun. Yes.
Thank you.
Bagay, hindi naman traffic siguro.
Which airline?
Let's orange. Thank you.
Flight, bye-bye.
Sige po. $17.90. Anong gusto mo?
Wala tayong picture.
Mamaya tita. Oh, ngayon na? Wala nga po kami picture ni Teren eh.
Lalo ako, hindi kayo nag-picture.
Kaya nga, naiya pa ako kanina kasi pati yung pagsundo niya tita, naiya pa ako eh. Kasi unang sundo.
Sabi niya, kasi makakain ko patanda. Pero kami ni Chia, wala kami dito. Gusto ko, kasi yung restaurant, pakain.
Hindi ko siya tinukuya. Bye, tita. Hi guys, I already got my tax refund and then I already have my bags checked in and I already passed immigration, so I'm now going to my boarding gate. It's gate 13 and then I'm on my way home now to the Philippines. This is the airport fit. Really simple because I wanted to be comfortable during the flight. Hi guys, so I'm already at gate 13, sitting here with my crybabies. Also, I think I saw the slide. So there's this like attraction in Changi Terminal 4. There's like a big slide and it's for free. I was kidding my best friend that I want to try it like alone. But I don't know if I'll leave my stuff here. It's there. I just saw the sign. Maybe next clip would be me taking the slide. or not. So guys, here's the slide. But like there's no people. So I don't think I can ride it. Yeah. What a shame. It's here though, if you look at it. It's this slide. It's kind of long. And then that's like the playground. Like that's the end of the slide. Now that I saw it, I feel like I'm gonna be too shy to do it. Because there's no people downstairs. I feel like I would be judged. So I just won't. So I'm just gonna sleep. Good night from my Friday leave. See you guys on my flight.
This is free of charge. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye, Singapore. I'll see you next time. Bye. I just got an email from Jetstar. So my flight is now moved to 3:10 a.m. It was supposed to be 2:15, but we're now just waiting here. It's been like 50 minutes and we're still. Back to Philippines, back to reality, back to school. Hindi pa.
Bayad lang naman. Pangit ko dyan.
Hi guys! We are back. Did you miss us?
Next, kita natin next year na ulit. Feeling ko.
Hindi tayo magkikita pa sa
Depende.
Pao! Hi, Pao!
What's this? Kay Lola. What's this? Kay tita to. Kamo merong ano si...
Foil.
ASMR. This is how they do it. Girl, pink gray. Pipigit mo na ako kung wari dito. Hindi pa.
Kakasabi mo nga lang pink gray.
Ang lapad ng mukha niya. So cute. Kita yung panty. Okay, yun na. That's 1 minute. Asa na yun? Kung na yun. Match tayo. Oo nga. Yung damit niya yung orange eh. This is our crybabies. Hanggang dito, hanggang ganito eh. Magkabudol pa din eh.
What the dog doing?
Bye, school girl.
Oh, may lakad pa.
It's the fast, now exit. Use some relief.